Speaker sir, let me put up very plainly. There is a huge tax evasion scam in Goa happening under the nose of every panchayat. दोड मुखार टॅक्साचे पैसे आज हुंच्यान जाल्यार हुंच्यान नाच जाताय पूण कितकोन फाइंड आउट करपाचे कितकोन करपाचे कोण सांगना. अकॉर्डिंग टू एनेक्स्चर बी तुमचे दिला रेंटल एंड कमर्शियल प्रॉपर्टी पेज हायर टॅक्स देन रेसिडेंशियल. Rental and commercial property pays higher tax than residential. Sargya. Now let me tell you a small story from the areas where I come from. I walked down the road to count the number of houses. One house had rooms available. पण काय आपण room बांधून दिलोय. Another house has got tenants. Another house has got some guest houses. So, but according to Annexure D, these houses don't exist in these 140 panchayats. Now, zero rentals declared, huge loss to tax collection. आणि हे कोण करता स्पीकर सर? हे सगळो भायल जो लोक आज येलोलो हे गोंयांत येऊन कोताय स्पीकर सर. These are ones don't go to do major things into तुले 99% गोंयकार कोण कोण आहे स्पीकर सर. These are people who are coming, staying here, residing, and then trying to do this. So my second supplementary is, परत I'm coming to the same question जे पहिले उलयले ते. Mechanism, I want to ask the mechanism. Don't push the ball. What verification mechanism has the director of Panchayat actually put up in place to identify undeclared rental properties? Has it ever cross-checked electricity or water consumption or conducted a drive using online platforms? And what action has been taken against those who have made no effort to track or revise underreported rentals? परत जाय जाल्यार परत हांव जाय जाल्यार क्वेश्चन मानिता. सो तू हांवें सगळी सप्लिमेंटरी कवर केली.
Yes. Speaker sir, honorable member Benji Viegas एकूच मागता from what he is asking that the house tax collection should be done properly by every panchayat, that the rates of house tax also have to be streamlined and the procedure to collect that. अशें आसा स्पीकर सर, अजूनही थोडे वर्सांच्या वर्सां थोडे लोक हाऊस टॅक्स कशेंय पे करना. आता ऑन 1st August वी आर गेटिंग ऑल द डेटा. आमी म्हणजे हे सगळे डिजिटायज करता आणि डिजिटायज करता तेन्ना सगळी रिकॉर्डां आसतली. खंयचेय काम तो मनीस तरी हाऊस टॅक्स फारीक करना जाल्यार ही विल नॉट गेट एनी सर्टिफिकेट और एनी असिस्टंट टिल ही क्लियर्स द ओल्ड टॅक्स ड्यूज. हे आमी करतले. हे केन्ना जाता इतले आता हिंगा EHNूच 33,000 म्हणजे बाकीची कितले आहा ती पळय. वन्स इट इज देयर ऑन द कंप्युटर, वन्स इट इज डिजिटाइज, आमकां सोपेपण मेळटले. वी विल स्ट्रीमलाइन whatever steps that are necessary as per your queries. I will see that overall there is improvement speakers.
Yes. आणि फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन एलक्यू तुझ्या तिसवाडी लागून ती म्हणले सांगत म्हणून फर्स्ट सप्लिमेंटरी वॉज अबाउट when are you going to, not a single panchayat from Tiswadi taluka submitted data on this LAQ. किती झाले?
Because sir, in spite of asking them, they have still not submitted.
ऐक नाही
I want to admit here.
ऐक नाही because
For some reason that data has not come. I don't
something is wrong, no?
Even I am asking
Minister and मागील आपण information दिन आपण
from Tiswadi.
Something is wrong.
I will place it on record a little later.
You will place it on record
Yeah,
during this assembly session.
Yes,
Before the 8th of August,
Yes,
you will
yes.
submit it.
Yeah, from Tiswadi.